Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Aurea and this is DIY with Aurea. Today I'm really excited because I'm doing an open collaboration with my dear friend Ray, One Way Designs 238. I'm gonna talk to you about that a little bit later, but now let's get crafting. I purchased this beautiful cylinder vase at a garage sale this past summer and it cost me 50 cents. I'm gonna go ahead on and then I'm gonna come back and I am going to spray it with this white Rust-Oleum paint. And I'm also gonna be doing the same thing with this vase. I'm repurposing it and I will also spray paint it with the same white paint. And this I found somewhere around the house. I'm going to also repurpose it, but this one I'm going to paint with this metallic spray paint from Rust-Oleum. Now that it's dry, I have these mirrors. I purchased this at Dollar Tree. I'm taking my X-Acto knife and I am going to be cutting strings of them. And this is the way they came out. I went on and I cut all of them because I just wanted one row of mirrors, and they are also self-adhesive. So I'm gonna go ahead and start decorating this beautiful cylinder. Sit back, relax, and enjoy this beautiful project. And I also have these border jewelry stickers from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be doing the same process, putting them as closest to the mirror as possible, just lining it up along the mirrors. I'm going to be doing the same process on the top and the bottom. And now let's go ahead and start working on the second vase. I have these little mirrors. There's a bird and several flowers. They also come with this protection, this plastic protection that I'm going to be removing. Once removed, I'll go ahead and proceed putting it right here. And I think I'm gonna put this one as well. I think this is so beautiful. I really like these little mirror stickers. You could do so many things. The sky is the limit. And as you can see, I'm putting more of this border sticker, that's what it's called. And I'm going to be putting one strip of these jewelry borders in the bottom and one on top. And look at how beautiful this came out. Oh my Lord, I am totally in love with both of these pieces. And let's go ahead and finish this other vase. this part is already dry. I'm using some of this adhesive. I'm gonna make sure that that piece is nice and centered before that crazy glue dries up. Also gonna be adding some silver ribbon and some gemstones. And here's the ribbon that looks so nice and classy. And now I'm going to be adding those gemstones all around the vase, and I will be showing you the final reveal in just a few minutes. But for now, I want to talk to you about this open collaboration with my friend Ray from One Way Designs 238. And today is an open collaboration. You have to do 3 DIYs or more. One of them has to be a repurposed vase converted into a high-end. And I will be leaving the link to One Way Designs 238 in my description box. Make sure to go in there and give him a lots of love. I have this picture frame that I'm going to be repurposing. I'm going to take this back part out of here, and there is a piece of scrap paper. I'm going to go ahead and turn it around so you can only see the white side of it. I'm going to put everything back, and then I have this pretty mirror that I've had for a while from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to go ahead and with some hot glue, I'm going to glue it right on top of the picture frame. I also purchased this wreath from Dollar Tree. I'm going to take all of this embellishment out. And now I'm going to come in with this glittery gold ribbon, and I'm going to make a pretty bow. And with some hot glue, I'm just going to go ahead and put it right on top of this white wreath. And I'll just come back to that embellishment that we just removed, and I'll be using the greenery. And it also brings some little red berries. I will also be using that. And I will be putting 2 of these greenery on either side of this beautiful bowl. And I also want to thank you for stopping by. I hope you do enjoy these beautiful projects. If you are coming from Ray's channel, welcome. My name is Aurea, and this is DIY with Aurea. I hope that you have enjoyed these beautiful DIYs. If you do, I hope you do consider subscribing, and also don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. I also have several videos that I'm going to be uploading, and I don't want you to miss it, so I want to make sure that you do subscribe and hit that notification button. Like that, you will be notified. And we are almost done with this project. I have this little bitty acorn that I'm going to be putting right here in the middle of the bowl. And then I have this ribbon also from Dollar Tree. I'll be cutting a piece, and I'll be gluing it to the wreath and to the picture frame. This DIY looks nice and classy. It looks very high-end. I will show you the final review in a few minutes. But for now, let's go ahead on and do the 4th DIY. Can you call this a DIY? I'm not sure, but I have these 3 Christmas trees from the Dollar Tree, and I also have this metal truck that I always like to decorate it for every season. All I'm going to do is I'm just going to put all 3 of these little trees in here. Then I have some red berries, and I went on and I put berries right on top of the tree, and this is it. I hope you enjoy all these beautiful DIYs. Don't forget to leave in the comment section which was your favorite. And I will see you in my next video.